What are you doing in the kitchen?
I'm peeling the potato with the potato peeler. I'm breaking the egg in the bowl. I'm pouring the mixture from the saucepan. I'm stirring the mixture in the glass. I'm mashing the potato with the potato masher. I'm mixing the mixture in the blender. I'm draining the mixture into the colander. I'm grating the carrot in the grater. I'm chopping the potato with a knife. I'm slicing the ham with the knife. I'm whisking the mixture with the whisk. I'm kneading the dough on the table. I'm flattening the dough with the rolling pin. I'm squeezing the lemon with the squeezer. I'm sprinkling sparks with the hand. I'm carving the turkey with the knife.